Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Azure CLI. So using Azure CLI, so how can we create a virtual machine? So it is easy way to create the resources in Azure, because through using UI, so it is quite difficult, but using CLI, the things works really good. So within one click, you can do everything. Now you just open the documentation, Azure documentation, and since I'm using a Linux, so I have selected Linux, but you can choose your own operating system. So, and I'm also using the Ubuntu, right? So let's use the Ubuntu and start the installation process. This is the documentation, and here we can just copy the command, and I'll open the Ubuntu. Ubuntu will take some few seconds because I'm using in Windows system. Got it. So it is still loading. So yeah, got it. Now I'll just paste that command here once. So it will ask for the password. I'll enter the password. Yeah, now it's working. So it will take a couple of seconds. Once this is done, so we'll just we'll verify and install Azure. It is done. Okay. So now again, if you check Azure setting up Azure CLI, it's showing. We'll check the Azure version. So AZ version. Perfect. See, now we have the Azure CLI 2.70 version, and everything is working perfectly. So we have successfully installed Azure CLI on our Ubuntu and on Linux machine. Now we will log into our Azure account. Okay, so when we work here with the command, so it needs to be reflected on the Azure account, right? So we'll just need to once you click the you enter the AZ login command, so it will give the URL. You just need to copy paste the URL and sign in there. So once you sign in, so it get verified. So I'm signing in the same browser. Facing some trouble, it happens. It happens based on your browser, and many things will be there. Okay, so now it got verified. Once we just paste on all the same browser, so it got verified. And now what I'm doing, so we have the Azure ready. Now we need to work on the create. First we need to create the resource group. Anything on Azure, so first we need to create a resource group, or we need to assign the resource group. So this is a command. So I just drafted everything, because in the video, if we keep on searching for the commands, so it will consume a lot of time. So just gather all the information at the same place, because nobody remembers everything, right? So yeah, we have created the resource group. We'll also check in the Azure portal. We'll check the resource groups. See, learn Azure CLI. This is the resource group name which we have entered. So this is created successfully. Congrats. Now what we need to do, we need to create the virtual machine. This is the virtual machine command. Just copy paste. No, it's copy paste. Oh yeah, copy and paste in the Ubuntu. So here we missed to create, give the name. See, we are just pasted that command from the document, but we need to update the name. VM name should be given. So I'm giving the name as CLI example. So everything goes default. Now we will copy paste. Done. We have successfully created the virtual machine using the Azure CLI. We will also verify that. See, the CLI example, the virtual machine has been created. That's it. Congratulations. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment your suggestions. Thank you so much for supporting me. Have a good day.